back on my YouTube channel, Driving Side. If you're passionate about cars, luxury vehicles, and crazy automotive engineering, then this is your new favorite spot on YouTube. Before we begin this wild journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support truly means the world to me, and I need your help to keep this channel growing. Today, we're diving into the story of a car that isn't just long, it's legendary. A car that stretches over 100 feet, has more features than a luxury apartment, and holds a title no other car on earth can match. This is the American Dream Car, yes, that's its real name, and once you hear what it offers, you'll understand why it's called that. Now picture this. A car longer than a city bus. Longer than most trucks. Longer than small airplanes. This thing is a monster, but not in a scary way, in a jaw-dropping, record-breaking, can't take your eyes off it way. Built originally in 1986 by J. Orbert, a well-known car customizer from California, the American Dream began as a stretched version of the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. But calling it stretched might be the understatement of the century. The final length? 100 feet and 1.5 inches, or 30.54 meters if you're thinking metric. And yes, it holds the official Guinness World Record for being the longest car in the world. To carry all that weight and length, it rides on 26 wheels. That's right, 26 wheels just to keep it balanced on the road. But what's inside is where it gets truly insane. This isn't just a long car, it's a luxury mansion on wheels. Inside, you'll find a full-sized jacuzzi, a heated waterbed, several TVs, multiple refrigerators, a sun deck, a mini golf course, and yes, even a helipad. You heard that right. A helipad. On top of a car. That means you could land a helicopter on it and take off again, all without ever leaving your ride.